Here is the PSD file. You can see the ingredients here. Open After Effects, create a composition. Now import PSD file, drag and drop it over the timeline. Go inside the composition. Go to Layer, New, Null Object. Now select all the ingredients layer and parent the layers with the null object. Now press R to open the rotation property. Set the playback head at 12 seconds. Now set a keyframe at the starting point and set another keyframe at 12 seconds. Change the rotation value to 1. Here is the animation. Now you can see the ingredients are looking odd. To fix this, select all the ingredients layer, press R on keyboard. Click on this icon to set a keyframe and set another keyframe at 12 seconds. And change the rotation value to -1. Now you can see the issue is resolved. Select the layer and press S to open Scale property. Set a keyframe at the starting. After 5 frames, set another keyframe. Change the initial value to 0. Select next keyframe and change the value to 120. After 5 frames, set another keyframe and change the value to 20. After 5 frames, set another keyframe and change the value to 90. And lastly, after 5 frames, set keyframe and change the value to 100. Select all the keyframes and press F9 to easy ease and turn on the motion blur. Select all the keyframes of the scale property and copy it by Ctrl C. Then select the remaining ingredients layer one by one and paste it on the scale property. Here is the final shot of the ingredients pop-up.